The secret shopper's cleaner in some Nation's Day. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you. Right here on the awesome car. Look wonderful things around you. What are you looking for? Under the sea.
Get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning. Meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Archaeoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Launching autopilot on homing system. Now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnosaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer, slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian. Whoops!
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
All-wheel drive.
Warning, meteor strike.
Make the maneuver. Right, left. That was close. Computer,
Carnosaurus.
abort mission. Abort, abort.
Iguanodon.
Get them out.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself. They're not gonna make it.
Mission.
If you look just directly across this river to your left, you can see there's a bongo just past that bamboo. Bongos are rarely ever seen in Africa, so they've been nicknamed the ghosts of the forest.
Mira un pájaro ahí.
And just across the river, you can see way in the back there's some stripes of, an antelope with some striped legs. That is an okapi. It is a relative of the giraffe, and it was discovered in 1901. Up until that time, it was considered a mythological creature. Also, those large white birds that are hanging out by the river, those are yellow-billed storks. Okay, if you look across the river to your left, just by that fallen tree, you can see there's a black rhino laying down. Rhinos are pachyderms, which means they have very thick skin, about 1 inch thick to be exact. Even with that protection, they still have been hit hard by poaching. There's only about 4,000 left in Africa today. There's greater kudu. The greater kudu is the second largest antelope in Africa. They weigh about 750 pounds. They're also very shy and nocturnal. One night they can eat about 150 pounds of grass. And those large white birds that you see hanging out with the hippos are pink-backed pelicans.
When you come to Delicate Bridge, go follow, very slowly. That old bridge has been vandalized, and I think our civilized friends, the crocodile, know it.
Thank you, Wilson. Folks, those are Nile crocodiles just below us here. They do get about 20 feet in length, and they have a clothing jaw power about 12 pounds per square inch. Those are the Tommies that Wilson was talking about on the radio before. That is not a baby. That's about as big as they get. On average, Tommy will only weigh about 60 pounds. Then coming up ahead to our left are some Patterson elands. These are the largest antelope in Africa. They get about 6 feet just at the shoulder and weigh about 2,000 pounds. So they weigh just about as much as a giraffe. And then coming up on both sides of us are some reticulated giraffes. These are the tallest animals in the world. They get about 18 to 20 feet tall and weigh anywhere between 2,000 to 2,500 pounds. They're also called reticulated from the Latin word reticulato, which means netted. That just describes the net pattern they have on their coats.
¿Y cómo es que no huyen, papi?
Porque no tienen miedo, están acostumbrados a que pasen por aquí los autobuses y no les pase nada.
A la... ¿Cómo mola esa? Ay.
It is the largest migration path left on Earth. And then up ahead in the savannah, we have some Ankole or Watusi cattle. The Watusi tribe in Africa uses these guys as domesticated cattle. Those horns could get about 5 to 6 feet long and about 20 inches in circumference.
Elephants are wonderfully social creatures. They have food.
So we got some more African elephants. Both male and females have those ivory tusks. And if you notice, they got some mud on their back. They use it as a natural sunblock because elephants do suffer from sunburn quite often. Females will live with its mom for about 13 to 15 years. They're the lightest color pink of all the flamingo species. Sure thing, we're heading to the Kobe's anyway, so we'll check it out. To our left in the center, we got 2 Grand Zebras and then 2 Scimitar Horned Oryxes. There's no 2 zebras that have the same stripe pattern. People who are studying them or tracking them identify them by their stripe patterns. They're also black with white stripes, indicating that their skin is actually black. For the Scimitar Horned Oryx, those horns can get about 42 inches long. Cat. They hunt cooperatively together in prides, where females do most of the hunting. Does anybody know what lion is in Swahili? It should be familiar. It's Simba. To your right, we got 2 ostriches hanging out there.
A ver lo del león sí, pues como se caiga, le grabas y deja de hacer cosas.
Es lo que pasa con los bichos.
¿Cómo son capaces de estarse colgados tanto tiempo? Ahora te pone uno a hacerle cosillas al otro, toma, tropa.
Pues porque tiene brazos muy fuertes, están preparados para eso.